The most effective Canva designs create a clear visual destination that instantly captures attention. Today, how to create focal point frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a soft ivory background and apply a subtle gradient to add depth. Insert one large rectangular frame near the center and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully so the most important subject becomes the immediate focal point. Add two smaller supporting frames near opposite corners and place complementary images inside them. Apply soft shadow effects to all frames and reduce the blur settings until they appear natural. Duplicate the main frame